Hi everybody, today I want to walk you through how to use BigBlueButton as a student. To get to BigBlueButton, we go to our Canvas page and click on BigBlueButton. You'll see a list of conferences and you can tell I have one in progress right now that I'm going to join. As I join, it's going to ask me if I would like to use my microphone or listen only. I'm going to say listen only. I also notice it says automatic transcription and I'm going to say enable in English. Now I'm inside BigBlueButton, which is where Tech Live sessions will be held. Notice I have a pane for a chat where I can talk to people in the class, maybe answer questions posed by the instructor, but for now I'm going to close it so we can see a little bit bigger screen. Inside the screen, I can see that I am right here at the top of the screen, and then I have the open space where the instructor can write on the screen or maybe share any kind of document with you. Now that you can see a presentation has been shared, I want to show you how you can change what you view. So if you want to see a full screen of the person talking, you can click these little arrows so it says make Tammy Barker full screen. Now you can see the full screen is just me talking. I'm going to push escape to exit full screen, or I can hit this little button on the right and it will close it back down. If you want to change where the picture of the person speaking is located, or if you had students that are also being shown and you don't want them across the top, you can click on this menu, go to Manage Layout, and then you could change it. So maybe you could focus on presentation, which moves the person over to the bottom. Again, I could close that public chat, and then you can see that I only have the presentation. I don't have to look at the person talking at all. If you want to bring the person back, you'll go back to that menu, go to Manage Layout, and then you could change to the Smart Layout. Now it moved me over to the left. So you can play around with this and decide which layout helps you focus the best. You can also get rid of this pane on the left where it shows the users by going to this user list toggle, clicking on it, and then you see the whole screen comes up. I also want to show you that you can use closed captioning in BigBlueButton. So when I came in, I clicked on closed captioning, and then this button at the bottom where it says transcription allows the person speaking to be closed captioned during the talk. If you don't want the closed captioning, if you find that it covers up too much of what's going on the screen for you, you can go back to the closed captioning and turn it off. Notice I did have to make sure this CC has a line through it now, so that it's no longer appearing on your side of the screen, even though I still have it producing on my side of the screen when I'm talking. During class, you can raise your hand if you have a question, which lets the instructor know that you have something to ask. You can also click on it to set an emoji. You leave by clicking on these dots and you say leave meeting. If you are unable to come to class and you need to watch the recording, you do that by coming to BigBlueButton, and then you look for the concluded conferences. With the concluded conferences, it'll tell you the date and time of the conference, and it'll tell you if there's a recording. When you click the name of the session, it will show you that there is a video. When you click on the video, it will open another screen and you just push play to watch it. When you are watching the Tech Live videos, you can turn on and off the closed captioning for the recording as well. Over at the bottom where it says CC, you want to click the English to have it pop up. Then you'll see the closed captioning on the screen. If you decide you want to turn them off, go back to the CC and then click off, and you'll see that they disappear. While you're watching the Tech Live videos, you can stop them, rewind them, fast forward them, and you can change the playback speed. You cannot change the position of where the person talking appears when you're watching the video. You can change full screen, which is a little bit bigger, and then you can exit full screen. When you're done, you simply close the video.